y'all, or really it's afternoon, but welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. It's looking very ugly outside. Let me show you. I don't know if you can tell, but like it's about to rain. Like you can hear that thunder. But regardless of that, I'm still gonna make it a productive day. I got up this morning, got myself together. Only thing that's not together is my hair because my lace kind of came up. But I had to get up and clean the room like real bad. Like I couldn't even talk, like it was so bad. I had to clean up. I just had a very long hectic week, been on the go all week. Just, you know, I had to get up and get it together. Today is again like a chill reset day. I have classes tomorrow. I have an assignment due. I just have a lot of things that I need to do that you guys will be able to see. For my lashes, yeah, I put these strips on yesterday on top of my extensions because my extensions were like balding, like they were like low-key gone, and I don't know when the next time I'm getting my lashes done, because if you don't know, college is ending, well, the summer term is ending August 4th. I have to go back home, and I would have to come back like 2 weeks later. I'm gonna get dressed really quick and go get some Starbucks, and then I think I'm gonna actually pack up my computer and go get some Starbucks. College is going very well so far. I have A's in both my classes. I had papers, got A's on them. So things are going really, really well so far for me. I just have to figure out what I'm doing with my hair. I might try to throw a little hat on or something, even though hats look really stupid on me, I think. I don't know. I don't think I'm a hat girl, but something gotta give because my lace is not on. So for my basic fit, I just have some black tights that I got from Shein. Then I have a crew neck or whatever sweatshirt that I got from Shein as well. And I'm gonna put on my Croc slides. And y'all, look outside. Pouring down. Cali weather like actually sucks. Like it literally started raining out of nowhere. I ain't used to that back at home, but it's okay. So I'm gonna let the rain cool down a little bit. I don't want to walk out there when it's like super rainy. I want some dang breakfast. Oh, I don't want y'all to get rained on. So we just gonna get dressed. This rain need to go away like real quick. So while we waiting on the rain to do this little one too, I think the better thing I must do is do my dang hair. Hold on, I'll wait. I'm also filming in front of my bed, by the way. So I'm finna do my hair. I'm finna do something. I'm not finna just sit here and look at this rain because it's really gonna piss me off. All right, y'all. So two of my most favorite books are from my mentor. They're planner and then Bible journal. So for the planner today, I already wrote in it a little bit, but so here is the final touches, whatever. Being that it is raining outside, I don't want to go ahead and curl my hair because it's gonna mess up anyway. But yeah, I threw my lace on really quick. It looks all right. We just needed enough. I just needed to look decent enough to walk out the house. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and pack my tote bag. It is still drizzling, but honestly, I don't even care. I'm about to go. I need to go get some Starbucks and I need to go get some food. Okay, so got my umbrella. I'm gonna turn the light off. So I didn't actually end up going to the library because it is pouring down. So I'm actually in this like place called 1851, and it's like it has restaurants and sit down areas to do work. But they have Starbucks downstairs. I'm gonna order some Starbucks, and then we're gonna get started on our work, and I'll show you guys that. I am done. I'm still here. I'm about to pack up my stuff. My work is done. I did a mini research paper and one assignment. And I'm about to actually go eat some food soon that one of my friends are cooking. So Yes, today is going well. It isn't raining anymore, and I'm actually gonna figure out what else I'm about to do after this. But music is on, make it copyrighted, so we can turn this off. We're on the way back. I'm actually gonna go check on my roommate. She's in the study room. Go see what she's doing. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm gonna watch a 30-day orchestra play and write an essay about it.
Yep. You know, y'all lashes stitches by me, hair by the girl. So roommate looking bad, and she's doing work. Alright y'all, so I am done eating, and as a part of my self-care today, I'm gonna go ahead and find like 2 movies that I want to watch, possibly take a little nap, and then I'm gonna get back up. I still need to go look for some classes that I might want to add to my schedule, and because I know I want to drop like one of my classes, so, and that opens up tomorrow, so at least I want to know what I want to do. When the time comes, I can be very quick and swift about it. The room looks very, very clean, and I am going to do a lot of self-care later, like face masks, shave my face, under eye masks and things like that. So just really resetting my skin. I already shaved and everything, so like I don't have like a super long shower routine. Probably like almost 7 now, so if I'm gonna watch these movies and take a nap, it has to be now. I don't want to go to sleep too late. I do have an 8 a.m. so, and I wake up at about 6:40 for that. We're gonna go ahead and go and take that nap and watch those movies.
I'm trying to know what's up.
See, we
Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. Pick it up.
Okay, hold on. Before y'all close the door, do we pick it up and run, or we
No, just pick it up. You can pick it up, put it together, put it in your pocket, count it. My throat was scratchy.
What you did?
I ate Doritos. I ate the spicy nacho Doritos. You eat a lot of them. At one time,
Boo.
I'm telling you.
Listen,
Remember when I texted y'all last night?
The purple ones are not spicy.
Then drink water. Right after it. Plunge. Drink water.